coagulation test is prolonged due to a deficiency of a plasma coagulation factor, then the test should be corrected by the addition of which one of the following? Normal plasma. Crystal identified by concentric circles. Leucine. Which hormone is important in bone and calcium metabolism? Calcitonin. Which is the most common Rh negative genotype? CDE. An increase in the erythrocyte sedimentation rate can be the result of an increase in the quality of which one of the following? Fibrinogen. A prolonged bleeding time with a normal platelet count indicates all of the following except which one? Bruno-Soullier syndrome. What is the dilution factor for performing a platelet count from a sodium citrate tube? 1.1. Hipurate hydrolysis is used to differentiate which organisms? Group of Streptococcus from group of Streptococcus. Salmonella, Shigella, and Escherichia coli have one in common. All members of Enterobacteriaceae. An increased osmotic fragility is observed in which type of hemolytic anemia? Hereditary spherocytosis. Organism that produces urease damage to the median. High urea to the median. What do 12-month deferment for each except. Donor received Hep B vaccine. Which of the following tests give a presumptive identification of Morex catarrhus if the isolate is a gram-negative glycogen that is oxidase positive and isolated from a body fluid from the middle ear? Beta-lactamase test. Which statement is incorrect regarding naturally occurring antibodies? Cross the placenta. A relatively slow-growing and fastidious gram-negative rod that produces a characteristic brown pigment on Phenylgorman iron cysteine agar is most probably which organism? Legionella pneumophila. What is the lifespan of an erythrocyte? 3 months typo should be 4 months. Which leukemia can be identified by a positive periodic acid shift stain? Acute lymphocytic leukemia. If a cold agglutinin is suspected to be causing erroneous results, then what is the most appropriate action to take before reporting the results? Incubate the specimen AT37 CFOR 15 minutes. A cold agglutinin will usually have specifically for which antigen? I antigen. Which organism colonizes the human stomach and is associated with peptic ulcer disease? Heliobacter pylori. What reagents are routinely used in forward grouping? Anti-A, anti-B. At what stage will specific granules of polymorphonuclear cells appear? Myelocytes. What is the antigen used in the RPR test? Cardiolipin with added charcoal. Which herpes simplex virus can cause urogenital infections? Both HSV1 and HSV2. Clinical test to be positive in the absence of its homologous antigen. Sensitivity. The Zimmermann reaction is used to detect which annulate? 17-cotosteroids. What is the color of the dye added to commercially prepared anti-B blood grouping serum? Yellow. What is the principle